Hare Krishna. So today we will discuss Bhagavad Gita chapter 1 sloka number 9. So till now we have seen in the last sloka Duryodhana actually praised many Maharathi present in the side of Kauravas. So he has taken the name of Krupacharya, Dronacharya, Bhishma Pitama and Karna. So in the 9th sloka we will see what he is telling. So in the 9th sloka he is telling अन्ये च बहवसोरा मध्यर्थे तक्त जीविता नाना शास्त्र प्रहारणा सर्वे युद्ध विशारदा. So in the 9th sloka actually Duryodhana mindset is that, so obviously there is many other heroes are present. I have not praised all of them. So that's why in 9th sloka he is telling it is not that only these heroes were present, so we have also many other heroes present. Madharthe takta jivita, so they are ready to fight for me, and even if they have to lay down their life for me, that is also okay for them. And Nana Shastra Praharana, they have equipped with many weapons and they are very potential in fighting. So here in purport, Prabhupada is telling, as far as the other are concerned, like Jayadratha, Kritavarma and Shalya, all are determined to lay down their life for Duryodhana's sake. So Prabhupada is taking three names that they are ready to give their life. So who are they? First one is Jayadratha. So we will know who is Jayadratha. So Kaurav, they had 100 brothers and one sister, her name is Dusala. Dusala married to Jayadratha. But Jayadratha by nature, he had some lusty desire. So once what happened, when Pandavas were in the forest, so that time when Pandavas were not present, so that time Jayadratha approaching to Draupadi for some wrong thing, and when Draupadi denied, after that Jayadratha kidnapped Draupadi. So when Pandav got to know this incident, then Arjuna caught hold Jayadratha and they insulted like anything. They actually cut down all the hairs and they left him. So Jayadratha, being insulted, he did tapasya to Lord Shiva. And when Lord Shiva pleased, he asked that, I want to kill the Pandavas. But Lord Shiva told, till Krishna in the side of Pandavas, so you cannot do this thing. So he told, but at least one day in Mahabharata Yuddha, you can have the control over the Pandavas when Arjuna will not be there. So on that basis we saw one day when Arjuna was little bit far from the Mahabharata war, so that day Jayadratha had the full control, and that day Jayadratha killed Abhimanyu in Chakravyuh. So when Arjuna got to know, then he had the vow that in the next day before the sunset I will kill Jayadratha. So on that basis Jayadratha killed by Arjuna. So next one is Kritavarma. Kritavarma was a Jadav Sena, he was from the side of Narayani Sena. So he was also ready to fight from the side of Duryodhana and to give his life. Next one is Shalya. Shalya was brother of Madri. So to fight in Mahabharata Yuddha, so he actually travelled a long distance, and when he reached in Kurukshetra, by confusion, instead of going to Pandavas Sena, he went to the Kaurav Sena. And in the Kaurav Sena, Duryodhana actually nicely arrangement, so where they were staying. So when Shalya reached there, so he had very nice hospitality. So after getting the nice hospitality, so Shalya made a commitment that I will fight from this side. So after that Duryodhana told, this is my side, so you have already committed, so you have to fight from my side. So that's why Shalya don't have any other option, and Shalya was a very good chariot driver. So they told that their Krishna is their chariot driver of Arjuna, so we don't have a very nice chariot driver, so that's why you will be the chariot driver of Karna. So these three person, actually Prabhupada is telling that they were ready to give their life, and Prabhupada is telling here, Duryodhan is telling that they will give their life. Prabhupada is telling obviously they will die in the Kurukshetra war because they were giving the support to the adharmic people. So though Duryodhan actually was in the side of adharma, and these person actually they are giving support to Duryodhan, so that's why obviously they will die in the Mahabharat war. So Duryodhan was thinking that I will praise all of them, but the message meaning came in the negative way, and they will be die, and obviously they died in Mahabharat war. So this is the shloka number 9. Hare Krishna.